welcome to day 9? Yeah, day 9. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is day 9 of my keto challenge. Last night we stayed at the beautiful Rancho Ecological Sol de Mayo, and this place is definitely worth seeing. It was so beautiful that first thing in the morning we all went down for another hike to the waterfalls. As precarious as the hike is, we still want to see them again. Although the waterfall was so beautiful, we figured it was time for something a little bit warmer. It was pretty cold to swim in there. So we headed 20 minutes over to Santa Rita to go to the hot springs. Back from soaking in the hot springs, and we are ready to make some supper. My friend is going to show me how she makes keto-friendly tortillas. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, thanks so much. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.